Well, maximum focus on this low pressure system for the leaders at the moment. That's principally Sam Goodchild and Jeremy Bayou. Now into quite strong winds and going into the centre of the low. We can just see the situation on the static image. We can see Jeremy in the black boat and Sam Goodchild just getting towards the centre of the low. Then they will jibe out towards Cape Finisterre. It's pretty complicated for them going round there, but successively then the other boats to the southeast of the low, and they will just watch and see how that evolves. Meantime, Boris Herman, the boats behind, less affected by the low but more concerned about the next one coming in, but they have this big ridge in between the two lows to consider. But that's the static image. Let's look at the evolution of the system and the passage of the boats round it. Just watching there as Sam Goodchild and Jeremy Bayou coming into the centre, then they'll jibe out, as I say. This group behind Benjamin Dutroux, Sam, Boris and Clarice, less affected by it just now, and then we'll look at the boats behind in just a few seconds. So, watching now, as I say, the variable at the moment is this light area of lighter airs off the tip of the Cape Finisterre. That's going to be quite difficult. There's going to be quite big seas for the leaders, and how they get through the TSS here. It's going to be interesting to watch, but that's for the leaders. And otherwise, difficult for these guys here. The boat's a little bit further behind, very much more in the worst of the low for longer. And then that's the situation as they come into the Bay of Biscay. Not so bad initially for Benjamin Dutroux and Clarice, Boris and Sam, less affected. So that's the... then for the boats further back down in the South Atlantic, then coming out of this the semi-permanent cold front into the lighter airs of this St Helena High, which is quite dominant just now. So that's Seb Marset and the main the Daggerboard group here. Otherwise, we have the trio here of Jin Kun Chu, Antoine Chronique, and also we're seeing Toot Gut there, Ollie here. So quite generally quite light winds for them. In the meantime, the last three boats coming round Cape Horn between Tuesday and Wednesday.